or this one that we've touched on previously, cancer
Yes.
cells love sugar.
Okay.
Starve them without sugar.
Yeah, so this, I mean, we could talk for 30 minutes about this, but lots of people are worried about sugar. Cancer cells use glucose sugar from the bloodstream. Carbohydrates that we eat in our diet are converted to sugar in our bloodstream, and we all need sugar in our bloodstream for our normal tissues to function properly. So people think, is the sugar in the bloodstream feeding the cancer cell? The cancer cells will take sugar. If that's what they need, they will take sugar. Taking sugar out of your diet is not going to starve the cancer cells of sugar, because you will continue to have that glucose in your bloodstream. So quick answer to that is you can't really do it, because you need sugar in your bloodstream for your normal tissues as well.